Namaskar everyone, I am Murtushi.
I am Yashika Gambal.
And with the students of class 8 presenting a project on agriculture. The title we have given is Advanced Agriculture. So you know that the population of world is increasing day by day, so that the farmers are getting so much burden on this for the agriculture practices. So we have just taken out some new technology for the purpose of agriculture.
So we have made a control room which will control all types of GPS sensors we have put. And farmers can also visualize the activities of farm sitting inside the control room. And we have put solar panels which will consume solar radiation and it will convert it to electricity and it can be used.
Next to it we have shading which has moisture sensor under it. When the droplets of the water will come over the shed, the shed inside the shading will expand over it and will protect them for the rain. Next to it we have irrigation solution which has obstacles in it, and when an animal or any insect will come over it, the obstacle sensor will automatically make noise and the animal will change their path away. And we have a sprinkler system over it in which the pipe is connected to this water tank which is saved from the rainwater harvesting and has 360-degree rotating nozzles.
Then we have natural pesticides. In the form of natural pesticides we have used neem. There are many properties of neem. First we have taken soil in which we have put crushed nimboli, neem fruit, and then we have poured water. And then we have planted a sapling which will grow into a plant without any pest or insect.
Next to it we have fruit plucking method in which the farmers who are very old at age cannot just climb on the trees and pluck the fruit. So we have made an eco-friendly plucking method in which jute is helped to making any pluck the fruit, in which a method is there in which the plugger can be dragged towards the farmer and the fruit can be opened.
Then we have fish pond. In fish pond we will do pisciculture, rearing of fish, and we will grow duckweeds and can be used as weedicides and herbicides, and duckweed also increases the fertility of soil.
And the other uses of integrated farming systems are in which the animals like hens and cattle are kept for the production of milk and eggs. And we have biocides, greenhouse effect storage, manure pests, GPS drone center, fish ponds, solar panels, mixed cropping, crop rotation, farm and storage.
By implementing this method, we can develop our Indian agriculture,
which will help for the better results in Indian agriculture. Thank you.